How to fix iPhone front camera blurry. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So sometimes your camera might be blurry because you have not cleaned your front camera. So try cleaning it with a clean cloth and I will help you adjust some settings. You need to head over to your settings app and then there you'll find camera. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then here you'll need to toggle on and off some settings to refresh it. So you can scroll down. If mirror front camera is toggled on, try toggling it off and toggle it on again. Scroll down and also toggle on and off lens correction, smart HDR, and then go to preserve settings. And here too, you can toggle on and off the settings. So this will help you refresh your camera settings and help you fix the issue. Finally, head over to general and go to software update and make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version because outdated software can also cause these issues. So that's it. I hope one of the solution helps you out. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.